What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tony and Ronnie, and I'm back with another video. Look, today we got some little pork chops and we got some jasmine rice. Okay, this is gonna be really good. Also got a new pan. Look at this pan. Oh yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Look at that pan. Oh yes, the lid is standing up. That is really nice. I'm digging this pan, y'all. I am digging this pan. But anyway, we got the gravy over there. I'm going to be using some of this, I forget what sauce, I forget what this was called. But I'll let y'all know in the comment section. I'll let y'all know. It's going to be right up there. That's what it's called. But these pork chops, these not the big ones y'all used to seeing. These are the boneless little miniature pork chops. These are going to be really good. So hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Leave a comment, and let's get to cooking because I am starving, bro.
Perfect.
Alright, these been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and fix these bad boys. Don't want to over fry them. Oh, yeah. They're looking good. Alright, so we're going to cook these for about 2 or 3 minutes on this side, okay? Alright, y'all, I have a couple that's ready to come out. Like this one is ready to come out. So what I normally do is I have aluminum foil in the oven to keep it nice and warm until we are all done, okay? See, this one's really thin, so this one can come out pretty, what's the word I'm looking for? Whatever. Alright, y'all, this is the second batch of the pork chops. Y'all know I gotta cook batches, but I gotta cook it for a family of 5, so. Batch number 2. Alright, my lovely people, I'm adding my chicken and broccoli rice. This rice is really good. If you never tried any, really, really good, y'all. Trust me. And we're going to let this bad boy boil for about 10 minutes. Look at those pork chops. Yum, yum. Alright, everybody, I am... Go ahead. Alright, everybody, I am done cooking, man. Here go the rice. Everybody already has some. Here go the gravy. There go the fried pork chops, okay? I'm about to make my plate because I am starving like Marvin. I'll show y'all my plate in a minute. Alright, everybody, I got my plate ready. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that food. Got the gravy, got my spoon. Let's get some. No, I didn't talk. Oh, I didn't talk to nobody. Alright, look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Alright. Bam! I probably add a little bit butter to the rice, but this is dinner, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know if you give this recipe a try, because this food is gonna be banging. Oh yeah. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. I'm about to go turn this up. Peace out.